Digging out pool equipment with spring in the air is one of the most rewarding times of the year. A major decision pool owners face is selecting when is the best time to open. For users in cold weather areas, it's a major trade-off, and users should always keep an eye on the weather trends. Pool owners will want to open their pool before it gets too warm, but they don't want to open when prolonged freezes are a possibility. One of the keys to remember is that algae has a very difficult time growing in cold water. Because of this fact, it's key that users open their pool before the water hits 60 degrees to help reduce the risk of opening to a green pool. Pool owners want to make sure, however, they don't open too early in case of an extended freeze that could damage pool equipment. At TFP, we also understand there's a noticeable portion of owners who select to have a pool company open their pool. One of the largest pieces of advice we can offer these members is to schedule your opening date quickly. Companies' calendars tend to fill quickly, so the sooner you act, the better. Hopefully this gives you an idea when's the best time to open. For 24/7 support on opening or any other pool-related issue, please feel free to visit troublefreepool.com.